Good morning students. Welcome to this online class eSuvidya. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about the causes of road accidents. There are 6 major causes of road accidents like of your drunken drivers, your distracted drivers, and not using helmet while driving, jumping signals, and the underage people or your old or unsafe commercial vehicle. So students, today we will discuss about the paragraph 5 and 6. So first of all, I am going to read out the paragraph. Open your book, page number 27. So listen to me. Road Safety Week program also gives importance on how to prevent accidents from these causes. The local authorities should check the drivers of all the vehicles and motorcycles for cases of drunken driving. Strict government orders must be issued to the license issuing authority concerned for taking strong steps while issuing license. Person caught talking on or texting on cell phones must be fined heavily or punished not to repeat such violence. Anyone without a helmet or not wearing a seatbelt must be fined. Driver must be cautioned by road signs and speed limit to avoid mishaps. The fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on the road. And no tolerance should be made towards the violence of road safety rules. Road Safety Week is an opportunity for us to recognize the preciousness of life and to make people understand what could be done to save our life as well as life of others. So students, in these two paragraphs, there are some difficult not difficult words, some new words. So let us know the meaning of the new words like caution. Caution means warn, to warn. Okay. Then tolerance. Tolerance means patience. Okay. Then precious. Yes. Precious means valuable or costly. Valuable or costly. Clear? Then opportunity. Opportunity means chance. So students, let us go through the text. So the paragraph 5 about the measures for prevention of road accident. So 5 about measures for prevention of road accidents. So students, you know there are 6 major causes. First one is the drunken drivers. So local authorities should check the drunken drivers, like those who are using alcohol at the time of driving. So local authorities should check to whom? The drunken driver. And drunken driver is one of the cause of road accident. So another one is underage government orders must be issued to the license authorities for making strong steps while issuing driving license, learner's license. Okay? So, strict government orders must be issued. Government orders must be issued. Okay. Then the another problem is distracted driver. That is one of the cause, distracted drivers. So how to check? Now talking, those who are talking on cell phone or texting on cell phone while driving, they must be fined heavily. They must be fined. To whom? The distracted drivers. Those who are absent-minded, those who are using cell phone or talking with passengers, listen to music, they must be fined. Distracted drivers must be fined heavily. Fined heavily. Then another problem is the your old and unsafe commercial vehicle. That is one of the major cause of road accident. So how to check? Now fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on road. Fitness certificate. Fitness certificate should be compulsory, should be made compulsory for every vehicle running on a road. The driver must be cautioned by road signs and speed limit to avoid the road accident. Yes? So, zero tolerance for the drunken driver and no tolerance should be made towards the violence of road safety rules. Those who are violate the rules, regulations and signs, they must be punished heavily and no tolerance. No tolerance should be made towards the violence of road safety rules. So, this is about the measures for prevention of road accident. This is paragraph 5. Then paragraph 6 about the conclusion or last or the theme of the text. That is the conclusion. So road safety is very essential, very necessary for every road users. They know the traffic rules, regulations and obey the traffic rules, regulation also. So, dear students, first the last thing is that to save your life as well as life of others. Because life is the gift of God. भगवान गोटे अमूल्य आमे समस्ते अमूल्य उपहार जीवनटी को भाव रोड एक्सीडेंट रे हराई देबा पाई नहीं. So it is an opportunity for us to recognize the preciousness of life. So save your life and as well as the life of others. Your life of others. So, okay, clear? Now you clear about paragraph 5 and 6. So let us discuss some of the comprehension questions that you can understand the paragraph 5 and 6 better. student, what is the paragraph 5 about? Yes, the paragraph 5 is about the measures for prevention of road accidents. How can drunken driving be checked? Yes, local authorities should check the drunken drivers. What should be government do for issuing driving license? Yes, when issuing driving license, the strict government order must be followed, must be issued, must be followed by the license authorities. What should be done for the old and unused vehicles? Yes, fitness certificate should be made compulsory for every vehicle turning on a road. How can motorcyclists without using helmets be punished? Yes, they must be punished heavily or fined heavily. Those who are not using helmet or seat belt while driving. So, okay students, this is the last part of the road safety week. See you next class about the summary of the road safety week. So, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.